Most of my day includes me sitting at my computer getting work done. Problem with that is you're sitting down all day, you get restless. It's hard to find times when you can work out or just get up and move a little bit. So when Ancheer offered to send me this treadmill, I absolutely said yes, because as you can see, it has a nice working platform that you can put on the front here. So I can work on my computer while getting a little bit of exercise in, walking on the treadmill. So let's go through some of the features and show you what I like so far about this Ancheer treadmill. For me, the most important thing is this platform that sits right on top. You can see it's enough room for me to have my laptop and use the mouse off to the side. If you had a smaller laptop or a tablet, any kind of, maybe you just want to do some writing, wherever you want, you got a decent sized platform here. It does have a drink holder over here, which I haven't used it for that purpose, but my cell phone, which I'm recording, it's in my hand, is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And it fits in the pop holder, works as a little phone stand, so doubles as that as well. Now this is removable. It's just laying there. You can pick it up and take it off if you don't want to use it. Now if you don't want to use the platform, again, you can just lift it right off like that. We do have the little sensors for your pulse. You can hold on to it at each side. The height is also adjustable. You just move that clasp back and push it down or pull it up so you can get any comfortable height for you. As we look at our screen, we have pulse, we have our speed, time, distance, and calories. You can see how it scrolls through all of those. We can adjust our speed here, the start button, and the pause or stop button. It also has the safety key, so when that is pulled off, it automatically stops. So you would clip this to your shirt or something. In case you fell off the back or something, it would stop. It's also pretty compact compared to some old school treadmills maybe you've seen in the past, or maybe you've even owned yourself. And it also folds up. So let me show you. If we just pick up the back here and give it a little lift, it's super easy. It doesn't take much because it has that little shock absorber there that supports most of the weight. So you can see how compact it is now. And we do have these wheels on the bottom. So if I had two hands, you can hold onto the handles here, lean it back, and roll around wherever you need to go. On the back side here, we can also adjust the incline. There's 3 different positions. You just rotate this triangle to whatever position you want to adjust the incline. When you're ready to use the treadmill and want it down, just give it a little tap on that orange collar. And down she goes. Now at the end, it will drop a little bit, so you probably do want to hold it at the very end just so it doesn't slam or anything. And then it's all down, ready to go. And we're ready to go for a walk or a jog. At my age and weight, we're not doing no jogging, but we can go for the walk. You can do us a little countdown, and then it'll start. Usually starts at 0.6. There it is. And we can crank it up from there. I was doing 1.5 today while working on my laptop. Seemed like a pretty reasonable speed while you're trying to be productive and doing things. You're not going to be sitting there jogging and trying to use a mouse or something, being bouncing all around. But the last couple of days, I went a couple of hours each day on this thing. And I'll tell you what, it's a lot nicer getting up, moving around. You just feel a little productive. You feel better not sitting down all day. So for me, I've really liked it so far. Something that I'm going to keep using. And maybe I'll slowly build up. Maybe I'll get to that point where I'm jogging while I'm on my laptop just typing away. We'll see if that happens. Also, if I stop talking for a second, you can see it's not very loud at all. Half of the noise is just my feet skidding along on the pad there. So there it is, the Ancheer treadmill with the little tabletop workstation all ready to go. Be productive and get your workout in all at the same time. Thanks for watching.